Welcome to Machines Visit. Hello and welcome back to Machines Visit. If you're eager to learn about the world's mightiest, riskiest, and most thrilling pieces of equipment, along with their manufacturing processes, this episode is perfect for you. Fractum Rock Breaker. For tasks like shattering stones, reusing steel residue and casings, or demolishing fortified cement, the Fractum Rock Breaker stands supreme. Its hammer systems provide cutting-edge, dependable, productive, secure, and economical options. Employed in extraction and stone pits, it smashes rocks weighing up to 150 tons and performs exceptionally with substances such as aluminum ore, quartz, and lava rock. It shines particularly with tougher stone varieties. This equipment thrives in teardown operations, pulverizing cement and rubble. It processes 40 cubic meters hourly, tackling highways, plant bases, and vast areas. In metalworking facilities, global foundries rely on it to repurpose waste, casings, and metal remnants, clearing buildup and fracturing raw iron blocks and crucibles. CV320VT. The CV320VT serves as a formidable force for setting 13 foundations at the Calic B3 site in Inpin. It independently hoisted, raised, aligned, and hammered 35-meter-tall, 2.9-meter-wide supports in only 4 days. This monster aligned every one of the 13 supports, which were then shifted to their ultimate depth via a 500 kJ striking tool. A standout trait is its capacity to function without clamps or ocean floor mounting structures. BHAC Snow Remover. Drawing from alpine landscapes, BHAC's snow-clearing device was crafted for ice sheet-heavy terrains to maintain rail lines during cold seasons. This 76-ton metal unit required 9 months of refinement. Even with its heft, it achieves velocities of 100 kilometers per hour, driven by dual power plants. One motor propels the unit, as the other activates the rotors, allowing it to clear 10,000 tons of snow in less than 60 minutes. FAM SR800P9. In building projects, earth movers shift loads like dirt, stones, gravel, and wrecking waste. The FAM SR800P9, the biggest wheeled scoop in South America, manages 14,500 tons of pebbles each hour, surpassing its prior model by 4,000 tons. It sustains a pace of 15 meters per minute, equipped with a 25-meter-tall, 52-meter-wide scoop and 16 compartments on its 19-meter extraction wheel, enhancing output. Wagner Log Stacker. Wagner's latest all-wheel drive timber lifters hoist as much as 160,000 pounds, perfect for sloppy or rough outdoor spaces. With a back-pivoting axle and a compact balance point adjustment, they deliver superior steadiness with little load reduction on curves. Periodic terrain enhancements cut down on wheel strain and energy use. Highlights encompass quicker lifting rates, easy-reach maintenance zones, air-cooled damp disc stops, rapid entry cooling sections, and an optional self-shifting gearbox. SAPM 7000. The SAPM 7000 ranks as the planet's third biggest half-submerged lifting ship, capable of hoisting up to 14,000 tons. Built as a versatile sea-based petroleum rig setup vessel, it places massive deck sections and aids in sea finishing work, complete with lodging and repair areas for building teams. Its massive scale and partial dive structure enable operations in harsh atmospheric conditions. Cairo Slag Taurus. The Cairo Slag Taurus is a sturdy waste container hauler featuring jointed handling and a trademarked protection setup. Its slim total breadth and U-shaped structure suit tight pathways, providing prime sightlines and swift turnaround periods with brief fluid-powered elevations, Independent of restricted loading clearances. Multi-purpose crane. This versatile lifter streamlines rail switch assembly, path and span building, and crash retrieval. Ranging from 60 to 3,000 metric tons in lift power, it manages massive weights with accuracy and speed. Its rapid assembly, top-tier output, and superb rail mobility cut down on valuable time. Vibratory mechanism machine. Engineered to fix cracks caused by ground packing, this device's shaking system exerts pressure solely downward. An experiment placing a water glass close by revealed it exerting 160 kilograms of pressing power at 70 Hz, demonstrating its exactness and potential. Red Rug SG30TRX. The SG30TRX, a rugged terrain root cutter from Red Rug Equipment, runs entirely on fluids and a 31 horsepower Briggs & Stratton Vanguard motor. It slices a 2.5 meter, 134-degree curve via user-friendly commands, such as tread adjustments and a lever for the grinder's rotation and side-to-side shift. Its slipsteer triple propulsion setup guarantees simple relocation to job locations. RecQuib furrowing machine. RecQuib's tool, compatible with nearly all farm vehicles, grooves and fractures earth strata reaching 135 centimeters below. Constructed with prongs to shatter profound layers and a drum to firm it up, it curbs overmuch runoff, suiting it for plowing croplands. Oversigned TV1000 snowblower. The Oversigned TV1000 and TV1000 Plus stand as elite airfield snow ejectors, managing drifts up to 2 meters thick. Fitted on a custom frame, the floating cockpit allows operators to sit ahead or behind the discharge spout for best views. Fluid frame cushioning and a separated operator pod from the ejector top minimize shakes, promoting operator ease. Meister Crayon TC100. Meister Crayon's TC100 hauling setup transports hefty payloads on sharp inclines, owing to its slim build and crawler layout. It preserves a superb pivot circle, surpassing standard haulers in demanding jobs. Comptech Cheapo 810. Comptech Group's Cheapo 810, fueled by a 780 horsepower Cat C18 power unit, generates 320 cubic meters of output hourly and flings it as far as 20 meters. Its operator-handled grip and divider module process trunks via a 75 by 100 centimeters intake slot, fitting oversized batches. Uniforest Titan 4320J. The Uniforest Titan 4320J wood splitter slices trunks up to 43 centimeters across with a strong saw blade, dividing them into 4, 6, 8, or 12 segments using 20 tons of pressure. Fluidly guided past a dividing edge, it yields flawlessly shaped fuel wood. Controlled via a digital switch or lever, its small, user-focused layout works with shaft, electric, or mixed power sources. Bobcat Tree Spade. Bobcat's tree digger add-on excavates and relocates plants effectively. Its tight, low-profile tower slips between densely spaced growth, and a toughened chassis guarantees longevity in harsh settings. It adapts to diverse ground types, with thumb-tip switches merged into the machine grips for scooping, relocating, and wrapping plants all from the driver's position. Savannah Global Model 1720. The Savannah Global Model 1720 yanks out root balls from 4 to 23 inches wide in every dirt type. It extracts bases, runs them via a spinning comb to strip away earth, and readies them for incineration or shredding. Running at 3 to 4.5 miles per hour, it clears up to 4 acres hourly. Vanum Trencher. Vanum's V-form blade-rooted digger limits ground disturbance and blending, plunging to 1.8 meters deep. Great for crop field water channeling amid wheat remnants. Its 500 horsepower MTU drive and embedded GPS provide spot-on depth and slope management. VTN Europe Demolition Head. VTN Europe spaws wrecking tool shears and crushes with unmatched power, courtesy of its Hyron fangs. It can slice right through a rival earthmover, outdoing peers in performance. BBSR Stacker. The BBSR, a completely hands-off round mixing mound stacker unloader, guarantees uniform substance standards via full-circle mound formation. A piling belt creates tiers, as a recovery span and wide radius auger loosen and move goods through a tapered spout to output straps. Its first-in first-out method avoids germ breakdown and warmth buildup, while its tapered mound form repels rainfall to keep humidity minimal. BBSR Loader. The BBSR scoop and gate unloader enables parallel vessel and vehicle filling at 601,000 tons per hour apiece. A total auto strip belt packs linear reserves, and a display board lets handlers watch and tweak drive regulators. It boasts a power hub, relay point, filter spot, swinging arm, extendable arm, and shifting belt for flexible filling. Komatsu Hybrid Loaders. Komatsu's mixed power tunnel scoopers, WX22H and WX18H, include separate electric drives per wheel for reduced running expenses. The WX077T scooper boosts yield by 14%, whereas the WX044T LHD gains 20% extra initial pull. Each slashes fuel outlay by as much as 20% and total expenses by 30%. The WX18H outputs 280 kilowatts, recapturing slowdown power through a motion energy bank, while the WX22H delivers 320 kilowatts, complying with EU Stage 5 pollution rules. An intelligent grip setup lessens powerline harm, outflows, and thermal output. Terex 1475XL Evo. The Terex 1475XL Evo ground cutter, driven by a 630 horsepower C18 motor, dominates non-stop ground extraction. Its 420 centimeters broad cylinder tackles mass digs, exposed mines, and big conduits. The back-placed cylinder carves straight faces and right angles, with Trenchtronic 5.0 allowing upward or downward slicing. Enhanced inertia gear housings and fluid parts suit it for tough, gritty stones, cutting tool wear and upkeep fees. Hamlin Dockmate. The Hamlin Dockmate, a half-auto fluid stream ride, readies faces without dust up to 32 meters tall and 1 meter across. Paired with Dedume for green rust removal and Aquablast Plus for washing and sucking, its unique jet array spreads intense fluid blasts uniformly. A fluid motor offers adjustable rates from 100 to 2,500 RPM, isolating lubricant and fluid. Mech Granite Cutter. Quartz, the runner-up toughest rock behind gemstone, demands a sturdy tool for slicing. Mech's quartz slicer exerts steady push from every angle, slashing 5-fold quicker than old blades without raising dust, fitting for civic works and home builds. Aku Cut Concrete Saw. Aku Cut's 91-inch round blade shines in carving cement slabs for span builds and fixes. It hollows out flawed cement to clear space for new fill, easing upkeep routines. Conclusion. And that's a wrap for this episode. Thanks for tuning in. If you picked up a tip or two, hit that like button and drop your ideas in the comments for future content. Remember to hit subscribe on the machine's visit feed and tap the alert icon to catch every update. Catch you next time.